It doesn't mess up anything. Armor piercing mag.
Armor piercing probably just does more damage. Alright, hold on, we gotta wait for Cloak.
Oh, wait, I'm buying shit.
Sniffle.
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 I'm recording it for you, don't worry. I got this.
What's the event? Why are you recording?
We're gonna blow up the tank.
Ah.
Apostrophe.
Wait, dude, if I buy an accessory, does it put it on my gun?
No, it just goes into your inventory.
Okay, good. I just gotta buy just...
You like my bandana?
Wait, what is the Night Stalker?
It's the
Sniffle.
one that tells you the range.
Is it...
Alright,
does
Cloak,
it...
you gotta hurry up, there's a blue foil guy coming.
Wait, which is fucking better? The Night Stalker or the LRPS?
Probably Night Stalker. Just come out here so we can blow this up.
Probably.
Okay, I'll just... Wait! Fuck off! Fuck you!
10!
Damn it, fine, just blow the fuck up!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, skip if you 1, go!
It did nothing. Good fucking job. Good fucking job.
I'm mad how he.
Literally
Alright,
nothing.
yeah, you
I'm
can
mad.
use the
I'm mad
type.
how he
Use
went
the type.
5,
Press T.
4,